Affordable housing refers to the housing that is affordable for households with low to moderate incomes. The cost of housing can be a significant burden for people, especially those who live in areas with high housing prices. Affordable housing programs aim to address this issue by providing housing that is affordable for low-income households. Affordable housing can be achieved through various means, such as government-subsidized programs, tax incentives, and private-public partnerships. For example, the government may provide funding to developers who agree to build affordable housing units. Alternatively, tax incentives may be offered to encourage private developers to build affordable housing. To determine the affordability of housing, several factors are considered, including household income, housing expenses, and the availability of affordable housing units. Different programs have different eligibility requirements, but in general, households with incomes below a certain threshold are eligible for affordable housing programs. The goal of affordable housing programs is to help low-income families and individuals to find a safe and decent place to live at an affordable cost. It is an important issue for many communities as access to affordable housing can have significant impacts on the health, well-being, and economic stability of individuals and families.